Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Brenner, and I'm here to show you a little bit about math with money, okay? And I know you did have some worksheets counting several coins, and we worked on the 10 cent, the dime, 5 cent, the nickel, and 1 cent, the penny. But you're going to have a bunch of coins that you're going to have to count, and to make it easier for you to count, I want you to list them from the greatest to the least, greater to less. Okay, not the biggest coin in size, but the value. And if you're not sure, remember your money song, and you learned that last year. So we're not going to work with quarters today. So we have our dime, our nickel, and our penny. So if we have 2 dimes and a penny, our greatest coin is the dimes. So we would write 10 cents, 10 cents, and then 1 cent, because we're going to group our greater ones and we're going to add our smaller one. And what I want you to do, once you have that written down, you're going to put a line separating the coins, separating your group. So whenever you switch your coin, you're going to put that line there. So it's easier when we're counting. Because remember, I gave you the nickel worksheet so you could count by fives, by 5 cents. And then we're going to be counting by tens, and then of course counting by ones. So what you're going to do, it's going to be 10 cents, 20 cents, 21 cent. So our total here is 21 cent. We're going to do an ongoing total here. Okay. The next coins, we have a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies. Our greatest coin here is the dime. So we're going to list it from greater to least. And if you can, you could put little dots on your coins so you know you already wrote them down. And then we're going to do the 5 cent, 1 cent, 1 cent. That's just so I could keep track of which ones I already counted. So I'm going to get my color here, and I'm going to separate my 10 from my 5 cent, my 5 cent from my pennies. So now when we count, we have 10 cents, 15 cents, 16 cents, 17 cents. So our total is 17 cents. Okay, the last one we're going to do, we have a 5, a 10, a penny, and a 5 cent and a 5 cent. So our greatest one is our dime, our 10 cent. So then we have a nickel here, 5 cent. And we have 2 more 5 cents. And then we have 2 pennies. My circles there so we know they're coins. And then we're going to draw our line in between. The first line would go between the 10 and the 5. And then we have 3 5s and then 2 pennies. Okay? And I want you to practice like this when you're writing them down. This is what you would be doing in class. So let's count now. We have 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 26 cents, and 27 cents. So all these coins equal 27 cents. Okay? Now I am going to give you a worksheet, and you're going to try to do the same thing. Now remember, if you could have a printer and you want to print it out, you can. Or I know some of you have been doing it on notebook paper. Or if you have a chalkboard at home or a dry erase, you can use that also. Okay? And remember, when you make the cent sign, you make the letter C with the line going down. Okay? All right, I'll be talking to you again, boys and girls. I miss you. Goodbye.